Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, August 28th, and this is a big week of change here at Cary Quilting. The first thing I want to remind you of is this is our row for the Row by Row experience, which is a national and international event that goes on all summer long. And our row pattern is free here in the shop through the 31st, which is just later this week. And after that, the pattern will be available for sale. And we also still have some of these kits available, but Row by Row Experience closes up at the end of the month. And then the very next day, which is September 1st, the All Carolina Shop Hop begins. So this is our quilt for the All Carolina Shop Hop. This is an original design by me, and it is actually the cover quilt for the Shop Hop magazine this year, which we're really excited about. We do have kits available for sale, and you can pre-order those now. And then this will be just a small part of all the fun that will be happening in the two-state All Carolinas Shop Hop, which begins on Friday. So that's what we have going on, new and different for you this week. And then today's fabric is a refill of Palette. So this is Palette by Carrie Bloomston. It is one of the best-selling blenders for Wyndham fabrics, and it happens to be one of my very favorite blenders. We have it in about 92 colors, and so this is just a reorder of the colors that we were out of. But I really, really love it, and it's great for lots of applications, and it's good as a standalone if you're using it with other things. And we have a vendor preview for you. Let me set all these cute guys up here so you can get a look. This is Fiddle Farms. They've been with us for a few years now. Steve and usually a few kids are here for the vendor, the handmade markets, the vendor shows. So let me just read a little about it. Fiddle Farm is your local body care source for those with sensitive skin. We craft our soap using milk from our goats to ensure the bars are super moisturizing. All of our products use natural ingredients to avoid irritating or damaging your skin. Come on out to the market to try our lotion, soap, or other glorious products. And they have an online coupon code for anyone who is watching this video today. And the code for 15% off at their website is Cary Quilting, all one word, capital C, capital Q. So I'll be sure to put that in the description of today's video, along with a link to the Fiddle Farms website so that you can go and shop with your Cary Quilting gift card. And one more thing, Steve has been so generous as to make all 5 of these products giveaways. So we have a facial cream, we have the whipped body butter. That just sounds delicious. We have a soap, and here is another soap, and here is an avocado facial bar. That also sounds delicious. Maybe it's lunchtime. Anyway, if you'd like to get into the drawing to win one of these 5 great products from Fiddle Farm, all you have to do is comment where you're seeing the video, either Facebook or YouTube or both, and we'll be drawing names later on this week. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.